Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. I know that this is like a really weird intro from my normal ones without like really poopy lighting, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean makeup brushes, and I'm going to show you how you can like DIY your own little makeup cleaning board, and then where I got my makeup cleaner that I normally use. And all you need is a clipboard and a hot glue gun. All you do is like make little like lines and ridges and things like that, and then like you can put dots, you can put whatever you want. And then while I show you guys how I normally clean my makeup brushes, I'm going to let this sit and dry. This is not pretty at all, but it's just going to get destroyed from cleaning makeup brushes anyway. I have this little like finger mitt thing from Wish that's supposed to clean makeup brushes. And then I also use baby shampoo. I just put a little dot on this and I get some warm water out of the sink, which I'll show you guys. And then I just clean my brushes. So we're going to start cleaning. So after getting the dab of soap, you want to go ahead and get the brush wet and then take it with a light to medium pressure on the brush in circular motions and clean the brush. I liked using the clipboard for my face brushes because my face brushes are a lot bigger, so this gave me more area to clean them with. So using the smaller one is better for your eye brushes. I mean, you could use the clipboard for both, but I am going to start using the clipboard for my face brushes and the smaller one for my eye brushes. For cleaning my beauty blenders, I normally have a water bottle that has a lid on it, but I could not find that. So I went with this one and I just filled it up with hot water and baby shampoo. After that, I drop my beauty blenders into it and then I shake them up. Following that, I will let them soak while I clean the rest of my brushes. And then when I'm all done, I will show you guys what else I do with them. So my brushes sit in the little like strainer thing for about 6-10 minutes, and then I put them in a towel and I wrap them up into the towel while I wash my other brushes, and then I take them out and sort them by the ones I use almost every day and the ones I just use like when I need something specific. Here is where I make sure that I have all the soap out of the brushes, and then I sort them by the ones that I use every day and the ones that I just need like randomly for certain looks. thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Next week, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but I won't have wet hair and we'll actually be doing some makeup. And I might have a video for you guys on Wednesday. Maybe if I get it edited. There's a lot to edit on it, but it's going to be showing you guys my new filming room. So without further ado, I love you guys so much. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye guys.